Aquaponics is a sustainable method of growing plants and raising fish together in a symbiotic environment. It combines aquaculture, which is the cultivation of fish or other aquatic animals, and hydroponics, which is the cultivation of plants in water. If you're interested in setting up an aquaponics system for your home, it's important to choose the right system that suits your needs and space. Before diving into the world of aquaponics, it's crucial to assess your available space and budget. Aquaponics systems come in various sizes, ranging from small tabletop systems to larger setups. Determine how much space you can allocate for the system and consider the costs involved, such as the fish tank, grow beds, pumps, and other necessary equipment. There are different types of aquaponics systems available, each with its own advantages and requirements. The most common types include media-based nutrient film technique, NFT, and deep water culture, DWC. Media-based systems use a growing medium like gravel or clay pellets for plant roots. NFT systems use a continuous flow of water over the roots, and DWC systems allow the roots to directly float in the water. Take some time to research and understand the pros and cons of each system to determine which one suits your needs best. Maintaining an aquaponics system requires regular monitoring and upkeep. Consider the time and effort you can dedicate to maintaining the system. Some systems may require more attention, such as checking pH levels, nutrient levels, and ensuring proper filtration. Depending on your schedule and lifestyle, choose a system that aligns with your maintenance capabilities. It's always helpful to seek advice from experts or experienced aquaponics enthusiasts. They can provide valuable insights and tips specific to your region and climate. Additionally, check if there are any local regulations or permits required for setting up an aquaponics system in your area. Compliance with regulations is essential to avoid any legal issues in the future. Choosing the right aquaponics system for your home requires careful consideration of several factors. Assess your available space, budget, and maintenance capabilities. Research different types of systems and seek expert advice. By doing so, you'll be well equipped to start your own sustainable and rewarding aquaponics journey.